The decision has finally been made that Toots Hibbert, one of our great iconic reggae singers to date, will be laid to rest at National Heroes Park on the 8th of November. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. We ask you, please remember like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell as well, and click on all so you're notified whenever we post new videos. Our iconic singer, reggae star, and one of Jamaica's most profound and recognized singer to date. He was also credited for giving Jamaica and the world the title of reggae music. And we want to say it's just an emotional time right now for many right across the world who learned about the sudden passing of Toots Hibbert after he fell ill after being tested positive for the coronavirus. And as you know, he was admitted in hospital for a number of weeks and had to be induced with a medically induced coma. And sad to say, the great reggae star passed away. But there was some controversy as it relates to the burial of the reggae icon. We saw the day in which he was supposed to be buried filled with a number of controversy as it relates to the burial order could not be found. And in so doing, the reggae star was not laid to rest on that specific date. Fast forward to now, and Toots Hibbert is slated to be buried at the National Heroes Park on the 8th of November. And this was made possible through the kind gesture of the family of Charles Hyatt, who gave up the final resting place within the Heroes Park. So we're about now to bring you up to date with the latest that we have to bring to you as it relates to the whole entire proceeding plan to send away one of our greatest reggae iconic singers to date, Mr. Toots Hibbert. So Frederick Toots Hibbert, the frontman of Toots and the Maytals, will be laid to rest at National Heroes Park in Kingston on Sunday, November 8th. There will be a viewing in Treadlight District in Clarendon as well as the National Arena in Kingston, Jamaica. There will be tributes from several industry members both here and overseas for Toots, as well as performances. There will also be a viewing in the Treadlight District in Clarendon and also at the National Heroes Park, as I said earlier before. Hibbert had been slated to be interned at Dovecat Memorial Park in Spanish Town, St. Catherine after a Thanksgiving service at the Perry's Funeral Home in Spanish Town on the 15th of October. However, the family members were not able to finalize the whole entire issue as it relates to the burial order, a requirement for burial, and the body was then returned to the funeral home pending this. So as you know, Toots Hibbert was one of the great pioneer of our music, and it's very sad to see that he has gone so soon. A number of industry players have been paying tribute to the reggae star, one of the man deemed as one of our greatest reggae singers to date. And I can tell you that a number of tributes have been pouring in on social media from his family, his friends, and just fans right across the world of the great reggae star. As you know, Toots was diagnosed with the COVID virus some weeks ago, and he had to be placed in a medically induced coma just in order to protect his lungs. And I can tell you that was just such an emotional moment for the family during that difficult time as he spared his life days on land. And I can tell you it's one of those moments that we have to just bring you up to scratch with what's going on as it relates to the whole onset of this pandemic that has been wreaking havoc on the whole entire world. This is just one of those moments right now, and as you can see, Toots Hibbert has fallen victim to this COVID virus as he has been diagnosed with it, and sad to say he passed away in recent weeks as it relates to complications being developed from that. But this is one of those moments where we really need to just value life more and think about what's going on around us right now. So reggae icon Toots Hibbert will be laid to rest on the 8th of November. And even though the onset of everything that is going on, I know that a number of people would have liked to turn out at this event just in order to pay their final respect to the great reggae star. We're not sure how that will turn out based on the requirements stipulated by the government as it relates to funeral service and the number of people that can attend. But as I said before, there will be a viewing in Treadlight District where Toots Hibbert is from, and the family is organizing other viewings at the National Arena as well, just in order for the fans and friends of the great reggae star, just in order for them to come on board and just pay their final tribute to this wonderful and great singer, one of our greatest singers to date, Mr. Toots Hibbert. So we're gonna leave this one here for now. Thanks for watching. This has been Link 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. This is where you get the best in local and international news and celebrities. What would my brother, Mr. Toots Hibbert? I say yeah, I say yeah, I say yeah, I say yeah. One of the greatest songs. I'm on. Peace out, blessings to you. Alright.